Kanye West may have to appear at the court of law due to accusations about how the Donda Academy was running, to answer to a lawsuit that was filed against him back in April of 2024. According to an article in TMZ, Kanye West will be decomposed of. The article is entitled Kanye West, Time to Get Grilled, Buddy. So it appears that Kanye West will finally have to show up to court to answer some questions. Now, even though he has been ordered to show up to court to answer some questions within a 30-day time frame, it remains to be seen whether he will show up or not. And if he does not show up, could the claimant get a default judgment, is the question. So this should be interesting to see with these claims that are filed against Kanye West, what his legal answers will be to this lawsuit. So let's talk about it, busybodies. And before we get started, by the way, this video is for entertainment and informational purposes only. Therefore, everything is allegedly. The legal landscape surrounding Kanye West's Donda Academy has intensified with a Los Angeles judge's recent order compelling the artist to participate in a deposition within a strict 30-day time frame. This development marks a crucial turning point in the lawsuit filed by former employee Trevor Phillips, who has brought forth serious allegations about the school's operations and West's conduct. Phillips' lawsuit, filed in April 2024, presents disturbing claims about the environment at Donda Academy. Yes, filed all the way back in 2024, and no answer from Kanye as of yet, at least in court. Allegedly. According to the legal documentation, West allegedly engaged in problematic behavior that included regularly sharing anti-Semitic views with staff members. The allegations extend to more concerning claims about West's expressed intentions for the school, including plans to shave students' heads and establish a jail facility on the school premises. Not a jail facility on school premises. Now that is outrageous if true, because like I said, everything is allegedly, which should be interesting to see Kanye's legal team response to this. And why would people pay for a school like this in the first place, is the question. These claims raise significant questions about the educational philosophy and student welfare practices at the institution. The workplace culture at Donda Academy comes under particular scrutiny in Phillips' legal filing. He describes a pattern of discriminatory behavior, with specific emphasis on West's treatment of Black employees, including Phillips himself. Not Kanye, allegedly tripping on his own people. What is really going on? The lawsuit details instances of alleged bullying and berating that allegedly created a hostile work environment. This aspect of the case is particularly noteworthy given West's own identity and previous public statements about racial issues, adding layers of complexity to the allegations. The legal documents reveal a pattern of evasion on West's part regarding the legal proceedings. Multiple attempts to secure his presence for a deposition have reportedly failed, with West managing to avoid these appearances through various means. This repeated avoidance has now prompted the court to take a more assertive stance, mandating his in-person appearance for questioning under oath within the specified time frame. The judge's order specifically emphasizes the requirement for West to appear in person, ruling out any possibility of remote participation. This strict stipulation underscores the gravity with which the court views both Phillips' allegations and West's previous reluctance to participate in the legal process. The 30-day deadline creates a clear and imminent timeline for compliance, adding pressure to an already tense situation. The timing of this lawsuit is particularly significant, as it emerges against a backdrop of other controversies surrounding West's educational venture. The allegations regarding anti-Semitic comments take on additional weight, given West's previous public statements that have generated widespread criticism and controversy. The claims about intended physical modifications to students and disciplinary facilities raise serious concerns about the educational environment and administrative decisions at Donda Academy. The scope of Phillips' lawsuit encompasses multiple grounds for legal action, including discrimination, harassment, and the creation of a hostile work environment. The comprehensive nature of these allegations suggests systemic issues rather than isolated incidents, potentially indicating deeper problems within the school's organizational structure and leadership approach. When approached for comment on these legal developments, West's attorney Eduardo Martorell maintained silence by declining to provide any statement. This lack of response from West's legal team leaves numerous questions unanswered about their strategy for addressing the allegations and their plans for complying with the court's recent order. The silence also raises questions about how they intend to defend against Phillips' specific claims regarding workplace discrimination and inappropriate conduct. The implications of this case extend beyond the immediate legal proceedings. The allegations about intended student treatment and facility modifications, if substantiated, could have significant ramifications for Donda Academy's standing as an educational institution. The claims about discriminatory practices against Black employees also raise important questions about workplace equity and professional conduct within educational settings. The court's intervention through this strict deposition order suggests growing impatience with any attempts to delay or avoid addressing these serious allegations. The 30-day deadline creates a critical window during which West must confront these claims directly, potentially leading to revelations that could impact both the legal proceedings and the broader perception of Donda Academy. The combination of workplace discrimination allegations, claims about inappropriate educational practices, and the reported resistance to participating in legal proceedings creates a complex legal challenge for West and his educational venture. The outcome of this deposition, should it proceed as ordered, could have far-reaching consequences for all parties involved and potentially influence the future operation of Donda Academy. This case highlights the intersection of celebrity, education, and workplace rights, bringing attention to the responsibilities of school administrators and the importance of maintaining appropriate professional standards in educational settings. The court's firm stance on the deposition requirement emphasizes the serious nature of Phillips' allegations and the necessity of addressing them through proper legal channels. Let's keep in mind that Kanye is innocent until proven guilty. A lot of celebrities attempt to wait cases out, sometimes in hopes they will go away. This tactic sometimes works, but seems like this Phillip dude will not be satisfied until he has his day in court. Not sure how much the guy is suing for. I would imagine it will probably be in the millions, though. This is what is going on with Kanye West. And that is it for this video. Once again, thank you for stopping the channel. Let me know what you think about this entire situation. Make sure you leave a comment below. And don't forget to like this video. Go on ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It don't cost you a dime to thumbs up this video. And make sure you go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel, trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers. And make sure you hit the notification bell so that you will be notified when my next video comes out. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.